guys hear me? I hate to go behind Sinai and Holden because they obviously are comfortable behind the microphone. I am not. But I would like to say that I'm thankful to have been invited to this luncheon today and for you to allow us to showcase some of our students. When Linda invited us, I was excited for the students, but leery about having to speak about why our program is a success. I think I've responded to her and to Carol several times that it is the students and their stories that make the program successful at BHS, not necessarily what we do as teachers. However, as I considered this idea further, I realized that Laws of Life is part of our school's culture. We've been doing it for a long time. I've been there for a long time. The 10 English teachers in my department work hard to use this essay as a way to get to know their students and as a way to show their students that even the little things can make a big impact. I have read at least 1,600 essays over my many years at BHS. I have read of students who tragically lost a parent, of students dealing with personal identity, and of students who have seen terrible diseases ravage people close to them. I've also laughed when students relate stories of silly mistakes or of the cute or not so cute things their pets have done. I have cheered with the students who have achieved things they once thought unachievable, who have conquered fears, and who have been recognized for great successes. But most of all, I have read essays that tell me who my students are. 1,600 students with 1,600 different stories to share. Their voices resonate with me daily, and I believe I have learned as much from them as they have from me. Therefore, I once again would like to thank you, as well as the Bainbridge Rotary Club, for giving Bainbridge High School the opportunity to have our students' voices heard.